Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to add items to Shein order. So let's get into the video. So open up Shein and log into your Shein account. So if you want to add an item to an existing order, so suppose if you have already paid the order, then unfortunately you won't be able to add it to a paid order or an order that has been completed. So you're going to reach out to the customer support in order to amend it or edit the order. All right, or else you can simply, if the order is not, if has not been shipped, then you can simply cancel it. Go to your orders and then select the order and then just cancel it, and then you can reorder again. That's an option. Or else if you want to just add an items to an order that's currently under process or it's in your cart, then it's pretty easy. So go to your bag here, click on your bag, and then you will see all your orders here. So if you want to add more items or more quantity, you can simply plug in, hit on this hit on this plus symbol to add more quantity, add more quantity. Or else if you want to add a different item, you can simply select an item and then open it up and then just hit on the bag option, so it will be added to your current order bag. So hit on add to cart and then it will be added to your cart, which is your current order that has not been paid yet. Okay, so that's pretty much it is. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.